And there we have it. Look at that. That is absolutely fantastic. That's our chicken tikka smashed tacos. Come on. Oh, look in there. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Rick. Today I've got that craving. I've got that taco craving. We're making chicken tikka smashed tacos. In here I've got chicken mince straight from the supermarket, and we're going to season it up in a minute, but we're just going to chop our veggies that we need as a topping. So we're just going to put that to one side. So I've got a bit of a cucumber. We're going to do cucumber, onion and shredded lettuce. We're not going to make it any more complicated than that. You can put in whatever you want, tomatoes, anything. And we'll put a mint yogurt drizzle in. Come on. So we're going to do sliced cucumber. Slice it as thick or as thin as you like, to be honest. It doesn't really matter. Just make sure you've got enough in there. Right, we want some red onion. So again, nice and thin or as thick as you like, it doesn't matter. We just want some red onion in a bowl. One side. Lettuce. I've got this curly stuff. It doesn't matter what lettuce you use, to be honest. We just want some sliced lettuce. So just slice it up. Now we want some grated onion. So what we're going to do is grate up our onion, and we're going to give it a squeeze. We want the onion but not all the juice. So just nice and steady, straight, grate away. Just watch your fingers. That's going to do it, I reckon. Get that off there, we want that. Now we're just going to take that onion and we're just going to give it a little squeeze. You're not trying to get all the moisture out, but we want that onion pulp. That onion pulp straight on our mince. We want that flavour in there, but we don't need all that juice. Okay, let's just chuck everything to one side. So what we need to do is put our seasoning mix together. Now you can use diced onion if you prefer to put bits of onion in. In there, garlic ginger paste. Now you can just use garlic or you can use ginger. Grate them all, but that's garlic ginger paste. We're going in there with a little bit of yogurt. That's about 4 tablespoons actually. That's a good amount. Okay, bring in our spices. We've got some Kashmiri chili powder here, and we're going in with about 2 teaspoons. Ground coriander, well, one of those in there. Cumin, one of those in there. Garam masala, one of those in there. Some turmeric, about half of one of those in there. And we've got some fresh coriander, cilantro in there. Now we want a little bit of lemon juice. We're not going to go too much, probably about a couple of tablespoons, that'll do. Right, we're going to keep that little bit, we're going to put some in there, in our mince sauce. Right, we want a glove on, and we want to be mixing it. Now you can just mix it with a spoon if you want. It wants to be a nice tacky mix when we're finished. So get it all in there. That will do it. We've got that going on. Nice loose mix. This is why we do not add too much fluid. There you go. Alright, just drag that to one side. So there's some yogurt in here. We want to make a dip. This is Coleman's mint sauce. You can use any mint sauce, you can use fresh mint. We just want some of that in there. A little bit of lemon, We don't need much because it's going to be as sour as heck. And optional but recommended, some chili flakes. Now I can tell you I'm using Korean chili flakes and they are not very spicy. They have like a really nice, pleasant, smoky flavour. And I prefer that when using chili flakes in any of my recipes. And then we just bring that in, and that will be our sauce. Oh yeah. How easy is that? Now what I will add for the sauce, you can add a little bit of sugar in there if you want it a little bit sweeter, that's up to you. Okay, grab your tortillas on there. And what you need to do is take some of that mix on there. Straight on that tortilla. Okay, bring it out. Squish it down. Now don't forget you're playing with raw meat here. Okay, and when we start cooking, we're not mixing raw and cooked, so you have to be careful. Okay, so that is what we're doing. Okay, now you can do them all, put them to one side. Okay, you want to be bringing in a pan. Put some oil in here. Now I'm going to use olive oil. Nice little bit of olive oil like that. Let's get a flame on. Okay, what we're looking at is putting that in there, chicken side down. Now, if it comes off, it doesn't matter because we're making a smash taco. You just squash it into the place where it is. And as you can see, these two will only just fit in here. So that goes in there like that. And that in there like that. Smells like chicken tikka. That's a good start. Cook until golden and brown. How do you know? You turn it over. We turn it over because we want a little bit of colour on this side. Now it's about 3 or 4 minutes and then flip it. Now this is not like playing with beef mince. This has to be cooked. Give it a little push down. Don't forget the smashed tacos. When you've had about 3 or 4 minutes, turn it over. Oh, look at those. Oh, that's what we're talking. That is absolutely sensational. There we go. Out of there and into your rack. Come on. In there. Our smashed tacos. Come on, we want to fry some more. We want to fry it on the back this time. Of course we do. We want a crispy blackened back. On there. On there. Oh, look at those. Come on. We need to crisp up, we need to blacken them, we need to char them on the outside. Come on. Extra flavour. Now some people won't do this, but there you go. We want that flavour. Oh, I can smell it burning. Lovely. Oh, come on. Oh, yes, please. Get a bit of burn on that chicken, come on. Now, some people won't like it this way. I agree. I love it. You know why? All that tikka flavour is there. This is slightly salty, full of flavour. Okay, on our rack. Oh no, don't drop that out of there. Oh. Okay, come on. In there, some lettuce. Oh, these are my favourite ones. These are the burnt ones. Oh, come on. Come on, a little bit of cucumber in there. Oh yeah. A bit of red onion. Now, like I say, you can go tomato if you so wish. That's up to you. Our sauce. Come on. A little bit of coriander. And there we have it. Look at that. That is absolutely fantastic. That's our chicken tikka smashed tacos. Come on. Oh, look in there. Oh, come on. You got that craving? Oh, this is just unbelievable. Oh, come on, look at that. You got that craving. You got all that chicken tikka in there. Oh, dribble all over. Oh, man. Oh, man. The best meal this week. That is superb. Flavour and seasoning, spiciness. They're not spicy. They are delicious. The tortilla on the side has taken on that juices and that saltiness from our cooked chicken. It is sensational. Beautiful cooked chicken tikka meat in there, look. Nice caramelization on there where we try to burn it a little bit. We've got these fantastic tortillas that are crispy on the outside there, a little bit soft there where all that gubbins is. That is delicious. 11 out of 10. That is the best meal this week. I've got to get this one. This one, we fried it more. Oh yeah. Now, which way do you like it? Do you like them fried up with a lot of crispiness and a bit of burn on there? Or do you like them more soft? Let me know. This is my favourite style. Just like this. Oh, come on. So that's my chicken tikka craving sorted right there with Taco Tuesday. We got chicken tikka smashed tacos, absolutely fabulous. Share those with your friends. They're all going. There won't be anything left. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. That is amazing.